Best practices for Google Ads demand gen. Want to stay updated with the latest Google Ads campaign type? Then let's talk Google Ads demand gen. We've got a brand new campaign type, shiny features, and a whole lot of potential. But before we unleash our ads, let's nail down some best practices, shall we? Tip number 1, goals. Crystal clear, laser-focused goals. You want leads, website visits, brand awareness? Define them, write them down, and stick to them like peanut butter to jelly. These goals will guide your entire campaign, from targeting to ad copy. Next up, audiences. Who are you trying to reach? Think beyond demographics. Get into the heads. What are their problems? What keeps them up at night? Craft messages that resonate, like that friend who understands your deepest pizza cravings. Speaking of messages, ad copy isn't just words, it's magic. Make it irresistible. Use strong verbs, emotional triggers, and a clear call to action. Don't forget visuals. Catchy images and videos can hook viewers faster than a free puppy. Now, the tech. Google Ads loves automation. And guess what? We do too. Embrace demand gen campaigns. They use Google's AI to find your ideal audience across multiple platforms. But remember, automation isn't magic. Monitor your campaigns, tweak ad groups, and don't be afraid to experiment. Finally, data is your BFF. Track everything from clicks to conversions. Analyze the numbers like a detective on a mission. This data goldmine will tell you what's working and what needs a makeover. Bonus tip: Google's always cooking up new features. Test them, play with your audience signals, explore custom creatives, and stay ahead of the curve. Remember, this is your demand gen playground. Have fun, be creative, and unleash the ad beast within. With these best practices as your compass, you'll generate leads, boost brand awareness, and conquer the Google Ads jungle in 2024. Now, go and get him. Want even more Google Ads wisdom? Follow me on my social media for daily tips and tricks.